Hello lovely writers, today I'm going to give you some tips on how to overcome writer's block right here, so stay tuned. It's Suhaiti with another writing mindset tip. I know it's been a while. I've been busy being a mom. As you see in the back, my son has literally taken over my office with all of his beautiful, beautiful Avengers drawings. But that is not why we're here. We are here to talk about writer's block, the dreaded writer's block. So I have never had writer's block. As soon as I sit down on the computer, I am able to create, to write, to use words, to tell stories. And why is that? Why is that? I don't have writer's block because I never say I have writer's block. So the first tip I want to give you all today, writers, authors, is to stop talking about writer's block. I believe in manifestation. I'm a huge manifester. And because I believe that our words have power, I refuse to use phrases like, I don't know what to write. I have writer's block. I lost my muse. What am I going to write about today? Nothing of the sort. Because once you stick it in your head that you are blocked as a creative, as a writer, then you will be blocked as a creative, as a writer. So the first thing I want you to do is to stop thinking that you have writer's block. Stop being afraid of sitting down in front of a computer and stop saying, I don't know what to write. Okay, so what if you're already there? What if you're already in that mindset and you have to snap out of it and you haven't written something in weeks, in months, in years? Don't worry, I got you. What I want you to do, and it might sound a little crazy, is to affirm, I am a writer. I am a writer. All words flow through me. I am a writer. I am a writer. I am a writer. I am a writer. I want you to do this 3 times a day. If you can't do 3 times, do it twice a day, in the morning and at night for 10 minutes. And just affirm, I am a writer. I'm a writer. I'm a writer. Words flow through me. I can write anything that I want. I never have writer's block. I'm never stuck. Whatever you want to say regarding why you feel that you are stuck right now and have writer's block, affirm against it. Again, twice a day for 10 minutes. And I want you to do this until you feel that you are unblocked. I want you to continue to do this, especially if you usually struggle with writer's block. Have this be a part of your routine. If you need a routine before writing, sit down in front of your computer and say, I'm a writer, I'm a writer, all words flow through me, I am a writer, I write easily, all ideas flow through me easily. Do you understand? And that way you unblock yourself and you use your mindset in order to write whatever the hell you want, and fast, and well, and always. I have to turn my camera around because the sun is in my face. Another way to overcome writer's block that has worked for me is to just stop writing. Stop thinking about writing. Pick up a book and read and enjoy words again. Ease off the pressure of what it is to be a writer, okay? Sometimes as creatives, we're so hard on ourselves and we want to be perfect and we don't want to be judged and we want everyone to validate and love our work, right? So just take some time off and enjoy other people's work. Enjoy this YouTube video, for example. Subscribe to it. Read my books if you would like. You get the drift. Just let go for a little bit. And finally, my last tip on how to overcome writer's block is to just write. Just write. Write whatever comes. If it's a sentence, write it down. If it's a word, write it down. If it's a journal entry, write it down. Again, lay off the pressure. Lay off the pressure with deadlines. Specifically, if you feel pressured and feel blocked because you have something that you're working on and you set yourself a time to finish it at a certain date. Just write. Write whatever comes to mind, write whatever flows through you, and do not, if you have writer's block, go back and redo the writing. That will actually be my last tip because I wanted to expand on that a little bit. When you are suffering from writer's block or you're feeling like you are at a loss for words as a writer and as a creative and don't have many ideas, You should not go back and reread and re-edit your content, your book, whatever it is that you're writing, your blog. Do not go back and write it. When the words are flowing, do not stop your flow. Do not stop to go back and be a perfectionist and try to add detail and try to edit for grammar. Just keep writing, just flow. I give tips on how to write a romance novel fast right here. Or here, I don't know where it's gonna pop up. So that is one of my tips in there, to just write. If you are writing a romance novel, or any novel for that fact, I definitely suggest checking out that video. That is it for me right here, sharing author tips, blogging tips, and all things writing and mindset for my fellow writers, my fellow authors. Thank you for joining. Subscribe, like the video if it helped, and leave a comment below and let me know how you are dealing with writer's block, if you have writer's block, and how you are maneuvering just being a writer in general. I would love to hear your thoughts and read your comments. It makes me feel really good. It really does.